Hi guys, this is Felix Kinonia. Last video we have seen how to create simple MVC application using Visual Studio 12. Now in this video we will see how to create CRUD application in MVC using Entity Framework. So here I have opened my MVC application. This is a simple application, and now in our MVC application we have three folders is very important. First one is controller, then model, and then view. So controller is a class. Controller is also a class file. It will bind views and models. So these are the things happen in controller. And then another one is model folder. So in model folder, under the model folder we have create classes. So model folder contains classes. Then another one is view is like a user interface, like a text box, another things. Okay. Now I will create new controller. So I can click controller and then on add, then click controller. So now the controller box will be open. Here defaultly the default one controller name will be displayed. Here I have to change common. Okay, a common controller. So now I would like to create read, write and delete option. So I can click MVC controller with read, write action and views using entity framework. So I can select this one, and then I need to create model class. So I already use user profile, so I am clicking this user profile class. Then need to create data context classes. So this is the link between database and applications. So I am using user contacts, so I can click this one and then click eraser view, then I can click add button. So now the controller will be open. It will take some times. So now it's opening. So once the controller will be open, all the code details will be already inbuilt. So here you can see this is the index page. So this is the list page. Everything is default created. So you no need to create manually, because in Windows to Visual Studio 12 everything is defaultly created. So because you have already selected read application, CRUD application, so it will be displayed like here. And now in the controller, see this is the get method. It will display only list page. Then another one is this is the details. If you click here details, then it will be displayed like this. So here the create method, then edit method, then delete method. So all the code details will be automatically generated. Okay, so this is the best feature for this. And now I'm going to run the solution. So here I'm click run the solution, click the Firebug. So I have mapped to Firebug, so it will open in Firebug browser. If you want to use any other browser, you can use it. These options is available is here. So now the solution is opening. So the solution is open. So now this is the login page. So we need to register the users. So first I have to register the user. So I just click the register button. I think register menu. So once I click the register menu, the page will be redirected into register page. So here I'm going to put username like test. Okay, test user. Then I have put password. Then I have put confirm password. So now I click register. So now the test user, here the page will be redirected into login page. So now I have logged. So the username is test user. See this one. Now I'm going to log off. Then I'm going to log in. So I click the login menu. Then I have already used test user. So I click that one. Then I have put password. Then I click login page. So this page will be redirected to the test user page. So it is logged. So now I'm going to manually click here. I'm going to first put the controller. My controller name is common. Then I have slash. I have put index because here this is the controller. This is the common controller, and then I need to create this details. So I am using this method name. The method name is index. So I have used common controller, then index method. So here I have called the common method, then index controller, put enter. So here the page will be redirected into common controller index page. This is the list page. So here I have used two users already generated. One is a user, then another one is a test user. Now I have to create new user. I am just click that create new. So this is the username. Here I am using test user test. Okay, I will put a test. Then I have create. So now here the test user will be created. So if I want to open the details, I just click the details. So these are the things will be available here. Here the username is test. So I'm going to back to list. So it will be go to back to list. If I want to delete the test user, then I can just click the delete button. Then the information will be asked, are you sure you want to delete this? So I want to delete, then I can put the delete. So these details will be deleted. So this is the simple method. If you want to edit, you can just click the edit button, then you can click the editor edit. So I can just save it. So now the username will be edited. So this is the simple method. You can use it easily. So you no need to confusing. You just open and controller. It is a easy method. So you can easily understand how the Crud application is used. So I'm going to log out. See, I will repeat one time. This is the common controller. I have put a common controller. This is the index method. Okay. So you can just go to the controller and then right click, then add, then go to the controller page. The controller window will be open. You can just rename the controller name, and then you can just click the MVC controller with read write action and views using entity framework, and then you can choose model class, and then you can choose user context. So just add the common controller will be displayed like this. See, these are the things are using by web API. We will see later. These things why it will display here. So these things we will see in later video. And thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you, Ananda.